Lesson of maths this week. As I mentioned yesterday, we are going to be moving on to a new topic today. So today's topic we are going to be looking at is money. Okay, so let's begin. So before we start, you might want to get some money with your mums and dads. So your mums and dads might have some spare change in their purses that you might need to ask before you take. Okay, and then they can show you them in real life and you can feel them and see the difference. Okay. But first of all, you need to remember that you ask permission before you take anything, okay? And the second thing you're going to need is some pencils and some paper. So let's begin our lesson today with our flashback 4. So pause the video after each of the sections. Okay, so let's start with our problem of the day today. So the first thing I want you to think about is, which is the odd one out? So looking at all of these, what is the odd one out? Can you explain your answer? So stop the video now while you work on this problem, please. I'm going to go through the answers on the next page. So the odd one out, for example, is the £5 note is the odd one, as it is a note and not a coin like the rest of them. So here's the £5 note in the middle, and then you have the 2 coins on each side. So that is one example. Another example is the 10p coin is the odd one out, since it is a pence value and the others have pounds. So these two, so the £5 note and the £2 coin, are both worth pounds, whereas this one is a 10 pence. Okay, so let's go through our key vocabulary for today. It's going to be my turn, your turn. So, pence, pence, pound, pound, coins, coins, notes, notes, money, money. Well done, year one. Fantastic. So, what do you need to take with you if you want to buy something from a shop? You are correct. It is money. We can't just go into a shop and not have any money to pay for our shopping with. So, what money do we use in this country? So in the United Kingdom, we use a certain type of currency, or money as we call it. Okay, so every country uses different values or types of money. Okay, so in the UK, we use British pounds. Your turn. British pounds, or sterling as they call it. So I want you to have a think about this activity. You're not going to be doing it at your table because we don't have the coins with us, but if you do have some of these coin values, it would be wonderful for you to use them now. Okay, so I want you to have a think about what ones of these are pence. You can draw them on a piece of paper into 2 columns. So you will draw a column like this, and you will write pence. I'm not going to tell you what the other one is. I want you to think about what the other values are, okay? So pause while you do that now, please. So I'm going to go through some of them now. I'm not going to answer that question just yet, but from the next couple of slides, you will start to work out a pattern. Okay, so what is this coin? Fantastic. It is a 1 pence coin. 1 pence coin. Or we also know it as a penny. Penny. So there's 2 questions here I want you to think about. Is 1, what colour is it? And 2, what shape is it? So draw this onto your piece of papers now, and then you can answer the question of the colour and the shape underneath. And you're going to do this for all of the coin values today. So you're going to be working alongside me today. So pause the video while you do this. Let's look at the next one. This is a 2 pence coin. 2 pence coin. Well done. And again, draw the 2 pence coin, and I want you to answer the questions below. What colour is it and what shape is it? too fast. There we go. So here is the 2p coin and here is the 1p or the penny. What I'm going to ask you to do now is to compare them. So how are they the same and how are they different? And you can write your explanation underneath your drawing of your 2p and your 1p coins. Stop the video while you do that now. So the difference is the 2p coin is bigger than the 1p coin. What is the same? The same is the colour. It is bronze. So let's have a look at another type of pence. This is a 5p coin. 5p coin. And again, draw your 5p coin now and tell me what colour it is and what shape. And the next one is a 10p coin. 10p coin. And again, you're going to draw the 10p coin now and then answer the questions underneath. What colour and what shape is it? Stop the video now, please. After you've done this, I want you to describe the similarities and the differences between a 10p coin and a 5p coin, please. And write your explanation underneath. I'm now going to explain the differences and the similarities. So, what is the same? They are both round. They are both silver. What is different? The 10p is bigger than the 5p. So well done if you've got that at home. So, same thing now. I want you to think about the 1p, 2p, 5p and 10p. I want you to write some similarities and some differences about all of these coins put together. The next part of my question today is, what is this coin? It is a 20p coin. 20p coin. And I want you to tell me what the colour and the shape is, please. Pause the video now while you draw it and answer the questions. And the same thing again. Let's have a look at this coin. It is a 50p coin. 50p coin. And again, I would like you to draw it and tell me what the colour and the shape is, please. So pause the video now. So the next thing I would like you to do is to draw these two coins out, and I want you to compare the similarities and the differences. So what is the same and what is different? Pause the video now while you write your explanation underneath. So I'm going to go through some of the answers for you now. So what is the same? They are both silver. They both have 7 sides. So the shape is a heptagon. Heptagon. And that's maybe a new term for some of you today. So make sure you are learning that word. It is a 7-sided shape. So what is different? This is worth 50 and this is worth 20. The 50p is larger than the 20p. So what coin is this? It is a £1 coin. And as you can see down here, this is the symbol of a pound. So can you draw your £1 and tell me the colour and the shape? Pause the video now, please. What coin is this? It is a £2 coin. £2 coin. Well done. Draw the £2 coin and tell me the colour and the shape, please. So your activity right now is to write the value of each of these coins. So you're going to draw them on a piece of paper and then tell me if it is a pence. So you're going to write something pence, or you're going to write the pound sign and then tell me how much the pound coin is worth, okay? So for example, if you are doing the 20 pence, you would write 20p. If you are doing the £2, you would write £2. Okay, so that's just an example underneath for you to help you to begin with. When you finish that, your extension is going to be, which coin would you most like to find on the street and why? Answer that with your explanation in a full sentence, please. And then you are going to move on to matching the coins to the amounts in word format for pence and pounds. Then you are going to tell me that there are a certain amount of coins. You need to count and match the right amount of coins to fill in the gaps. And then finally, you are going to compare using the crocodile symbols, as you can see, which one is greater and which one is less. Finally, for today, our plenary is Mo has 1 coin in his hand. I have more than 2 pence, but less than £1. Draw Mo's coins. What is the value of Mo's coins? Is there more than one answer? And that is the end of our lesson today. Please come back tomorrow for your final lesson on money for this week. Bye, you one.